Hi, let's try to solve this question of modern history. Which century is known as Dark Age or Age of Chaos? 17th century AD, 18th century AD, 19th century AD, or 20th century AD? The correct answer for this question is 18th century AD. The 18th century AD is known as Dark Age because the East India Company tried to establish their power in India. This age is also known as Age of Chaos because the political structure of India was not well defined. So let's try to understand it in detail. So the 18th century AD can be divided, the polity of 18th century AD can be divided into three phases. The first phase is first half of 18th century. So the first half of 18th century can be seen as the decline of Mughal Empire. Then the middle decades of 18th century can be seen as rise of autonomous states, and the second half of 18th century is the rise of British supremacy. Now, let's try to understand them one by one. The decline of Mughal Empire in the early 18th century started after the reign of Aurangzeb from 1658 to 1707. Also, this decline was further hastened by the invasion of Nadir Shah in 1739. Now, the rise of autonomous states in the middle decades of 18th century can be categorized into three groups. The first one is successor states. Then we have the new states and independent kingdoms. Some of the successor states are Hyderabad, Awadh, and Bengal, while the new states are Marathas, Sikhs, Jats, Afghans. The independent kingdoms were Mysore, Kerala, and Rajputs. Further, we can understand the rise of British supremacy in the second half of 18th century as an opportunity for East India Company to transform itself from a trading company to a political power. So I hope you have got this question. Thank you.